Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report something in the Bird application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your left corner and there you will see a danger symbol. Press on it and here you can report like a damaged bird or a badly parked bird. You can just press on one of these and you can just take a photo basically about the incident, and you can just select here what happened, like blocking accessibility, multiple stacked on private property or anything like that. You can just select one of them, and once everything is filled out you can just press submit down below and your report will be sent. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.